Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am finally getting into this One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr, and I'm so excited because I have been wanting to try this for so long, guys. As you can see, my skin is bare. I don't have anything on my skin as of yet. I have a lot of freckles and moles all over my face, so I am looking for some kind of full coverage without doing too much. Before we get into the video, let's go ahead and do our nail cam, y'all. These are bomb.com. Okay, so we're gonna go in using our e.l.f. This is a mattifying primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my face, get it nice and rubbed in and ready to go, guys. It's like 2 in the morning and I am so tired, but I'm headed to New York, so this look has to last me like all day long. So now we are going to go ahead and go into that liquid foundation. This is in the shade D3R, which is a red undertone. Depending on the season, depends on the undertone that I am, which is weird, but yeah. I go ahead and I'm going to just apply some dabs all over my face. And so far, I do like the scent. It's not too overbearing. It's very soft and gentle. And I like it so far, but I do have to blend it in. But before I blend it in, I'm going to use my Morphe setting mist spray. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and use our beauty sponge and start applying that foundation everywhere. I do always start in the cheek area now. And then I go towards the inner face. This just kind of keeps my foundation nice and smooth. But as you can see, it's actually looking really good. It's nice, it's smooth. I really like it. And you can just tell by my face, like, I was really concentrated on like just seeing how much further I can take this application to see if I really like it. And I must say, I do like it. It's definitely my shade. Once I start to go in and highlight, obviously, you start to lose color. But I do like it. It's very smooth. It does have that blur effect. I'm noticing a lot of areas are not as shiny as it usually is. It's very soft and it acts as though it's full cover. So that's very interesting. It's not hiding all of my moles. And actually, a lot of foundation don't really have my moles. I don't know if it's because it sticks out too far or what, but I'm noticing more and more that the foundations that I'm using, they just don't really have my moles. You'll see me setting my face multiple times in this video, mainly because I'm headed to New York City. I have to go and get on my flight here soon. And I just want to make sure that my makeup's going to last all day because I don't have time to do a whole nother makeup look. So this look is going to stay all day for me. Next, I am going to be using the same shade, but instead this is the powder foundation. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using my powder brush. I do want to go and invest into a different brush because I'm starting not to like this brush, but anytime I try to get all day wear out of my makeup, I do try to use the powder foundation. So it was such a convenience that he also had his powder foundation already ready to go. So that was really good. And I'm just happy about that. The powder foundation itself, it goes on very light with the brush, but I know he has a puffer sponge, or he has something that he wants us to use when we use his powder foundation, but I don't have it. Sorry guys, it's early in the morning and I am freaking tired. But yeah. So moving forward, you guys are going to see me just finish off my face because I personally feel like, yeah, I like the foundation. Yes, I like the coverage. Yes, it's light coverage. It also oxidizes throughout, the day, which is really good. But does it blend and match with my highlight? So that's a big part. So I'm going to show you guys me putting that highlight on. If you guys want to know what products and stuff I use to highlight and like do my contour and stuff, you might want to go ahead and check out some other videos on this channel. I just want you guys to kind of see me semi-finish this face. That way you can get the idea of like, yeah, You can already see what palette I'm using. I'm using the Mirror, but that's Juvia's. But yeah, you gotta go check out some other videos on this channel and do subscribe. And get into those nails because those nails are bomb.com. But anyway, so we're just going ahead and just finishing out this face. And we are almost done. I will say that the concealer that I'm using to highlight, it does blend really good with his product. So I'm very happy about that because this is one of my favorites to use. So I really don't want to have to go into any other shades at all. So I'm very, very happy to know that I can use some of my favorite products on top of his products. However, moving forward, I know I need to try some more of his products and do a video, like an updated video using everything of his, such as his foundation, his powders, setting sprays, concealers, and hopefully he comes out with a lip line. I did not see it when I went to Sephora, so not sure if he has it or not, but we shall see. You guys let me know down in the comments if you decided to try these products. Let me know if you've already tried these products and you're just checking out other people's videos. Right now, I'm just bronzing my face and kind of adding, all of my heated areas that I like for when I'm in the sun. So that's what I'm doing here. Like I said, you can go and check out other tutorials on my channel to kind of get in more detail. But this is all about my baby Patrick, okay? Even though your girl's tired, like this is all about Patrick. So we are going to be using one size. This is his finishing spray. This is how I'm going to be finishing out my look. And I'm super happy because I'm at the end. And when you get to the end, you're done. I ended up getting something in my eye and like I could not get this out of my eye. So I just carried on with the video. So ignore that. And I have to do my hair. But please do make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Check the bio area and just check out my other platforms, guys. There's so much for you to see. And thank you so much for watching this video. And yes, this is a must try. So anyway, bye guys.